back, everybody, girls and boys. So this is the second part, which is the setting up the installation of the 2-in-1 grow tent by AC Infinity. Alright, so I'm gonna just time lapse it. And pretty much I haven't read the instructions, so I'm just gonna try to go like that, but I'll look at the instruction actually, but I will try not to make this too long. Alright, everyone. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna get to it. I vacuum everything, so everything should be good to go. Alright, let's do it. Everyone, I'm actually gonna go through the manual real quick and then I'm gonna go about it. Alright, so I'll be back. Alright, welcome back, everybody. Yes, what I highly recommend, always read the manual, okay, of anything, the user manual. So we're gonna look for the model, which is the 864D, and we're gonna look at the content, okay, the product content. And the thing that I realized is that, trip out on this, I don't know where AC messed up or if I'm just getting it confused myself, but look, so they're saying that A1, there's 12 of them, and they're the long ones, right? And A2 is the short one, and they're 12 of them as well. So look, A1 is this one, right? And A2 are these. But yet, this is the thing that's confusing me. That I'm just like, man, what the hell? So according to the manual, the CLOUDLAB 864D, which is this one, the one I have, A1 is supposed to be the long ones, A2 is supposed to be the short ones. But right here, they mark A1 as my short ones. These are my A1s, and these are my A2s, and these are my long ones. So, I don't know if this is wrong, or they just tagged them, they identified them wrong. Yeah, so that's the only thing that is kind of confusing about this. But as far as every piece and every content, it's in the package. So I revised that and I made sure that we have the exact numbers: A1, A2, B, C, E, F, G, D1 and D3, and then the actual count: 12, 12, 2, 6, and all that. So yeah, so we have it all in here, so we're good. I verified and I confirmed that. Okay, so that's the only thing that's confusing. That here A1 is the long one, A2 is the short one. But yet again, right here, A1 is the short one, A2 is the long one. But I'm just gonna follow the drawing, all right? So now let's go to the actual setup. Okay, here you go, 864D, which is right here. So I'm gonna follow this. Just gonna follow the directions. Alright? So there you go. Alright, everyone. So I'm gonna set up the camera and go about this. So I'm gonna set up this piece. I'm gonna set up step 1, follow this, which is all these pieces right here. Alright.
step 1 done. So I'm gonna do the layout for step 2, and then we'll continue recording. Alright? I'm gonna pause it for right now. So I got carried away. So on the first one, I actually messed up because of the whole poles. Yeah, I took measurements and it was too short, so I had to swap it. And yeah, my bad. It's kind of frustrating, yeah, the instruction, but yeah. So pretty much, just follow the picture, even if they don't identify it. Even if that's confusing for whatever reason, just follow the drawing. Yeah, because that threw me off. So that's where we're at. So we're done with step 2. Sorry about the shitty poor lighting. And now we're gonna do step 3, which is the roof. Oh my god. My bad. I'm not even recording this. So I'm already frustrated. Threw me off because I messed up our first part. First step. Right, so that's step 3. Now we're gonna do step 4, which is add rag G support beam onto the shell. Alright everyone, so pretty much got all the framing done. And now I gotta figure out about the canvas. Yeah, hopefully it's smooth and easy because I'm already frustrated. Alright, I'm gonna pause it and take a slow break. Yeah, because I hate when I screw up. Alright, I'll be back. Laters. Finished, complete. Woo. Took work. It's a little bit frustrating. That corner, man. right here, this back corner, really, well, okay, it's done. That's all that matters, man. Alright, that's it, man. Peace, love, and health. Laters.